Yo, what's up everyone, it's me ShakibZ back with another brand new video. First of all, thank you guys for completing my 500 subscribers milestone. I started this channel a few months ago and now we are 500 subscribers family. Thank you for the support and keep supporting me like that. As a reward for this achievement, I am giving you guys the brush pack I use to make my designs. It is a mixed brush pack. I have collected these brushes from many sources. This pack contains over 800 brushes like old brushes, abstract brushes, grunge brushes, tone paper effects, textures, brush wallpapers and many more. This pack download link is given in my description, so without wasting any more time, let's see it.
Hey y'all, come look at this.